Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with DoorDash Marketplace affiliate tracking, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with DoorDash Marketplace affiliate tracking, visit the official DoorDash affiliate program website. Sign in or create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the section for affiliate tracking settings. Click on the option to manage your tracking links. You'll see a unique affiliate ID displayed on your dashboard. Copy your affiliate ID for later use. Next, look for the area labeled Tracking URLs. Here, you'll create a custom tracking link. To do this, enter the URL you want to promote in the designated field. After that, append your affiliate ID at the end of the URL. Make sure to format the URL correctly. Once your custom link is created, save it as instructed. Now, you can begin promoting this link across your platforms. To verify your tracking setup, place a test order using your custom link. Monitor the analytics section of your dashboard to ensure the clicks and conversions are registering. If you encounter any issues, refer to the FAQ section or contact support for further assistance. By following these steps, you can successfully authenticate and start tracking your affiliate performance with DoorDash Marketplace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.